everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Simon Says Stamp. I just love their site. They have, seems like all the new stuff that I really love, and I just keep going on it and finding more things to get. So check them out if you are so inclined, because you will not be disappointed. And I just found a few goodies this time. Let's see, this says Stamp Timber month-long stamping party. The month is almost over now, but okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. All right. First thing I found were these sparklettes. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So these are for, you can use them as embellishments, I think, or you could use them as shaker cards. This one's called Winter Wonder, and this says they're made by Buttons Galore and More. And let's just open one and see. This one is Winter Wonder. Gosh, and it looks like little diamonds. I want to get one of those trees so you can see that too. So there are little sequined trees. Then these are hard and flat-backed little rhinestones, and there's different sizes of those, and then there's more glitter, or not glitter, sequins. So it's a combination of sequins and flat-back clear rhinestones and little Christmas trees, and it is just really cute. Oh, and there's little snowmen too. So it's super sparkly. Oh, and there's little beads in there too, like little seed beads, white seed beads. So I don't know, it's really cute. I think it will be fun to use as a shaker. Can't you see that in a shaker card? Ooh, I need to make sure that stays closed. I'm going to get a piece of tape and close that too, because I do not want this to open up. That would be a mess and a shame, because they would all get wasted. So that's really cute. And then I also got a fall one, I think. Yes. Oh gosh, here's a little seed bead that I missed. And you know I'm going to open this back up just to put the seed bead in there. Instead of throwing one seed bead away, I'm keeping it because I love it. I think most of you would do the same. And then here is a fall one, and it has like pearl flatbacks, and then it has the sequins, and it has little gold seed beads, and it has little sequins that are shaped like different colored leaves, gold and green. And this one is called Fall Foliage. Super cute. And then I needed another red stickles, and I tried to use mine the other day, and it did not want to come out at all. So when I saw these, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to grab two of them, because I tend to use red a lot, especially at Christmas, and this is Christmas red. So I have two of those. And then when I was checking out, I also saw this red Nouveau one, and I hadn't seen this one, although I probably have seen it. I hadn't recognized to myself that I had seen it yet, because I probably would have purchased it had I realized what it was. Oh gosh, the little diamond on the top is coming off. That's funny, I've never seen that before. I don't know how it did that. Seems to be on there now. I don't know, did you guys see that? It was like halfway off. Maybe not halfway, but a quarter of the way. But this is Nouveau Glitter Drops, and I got the color Holiday Cheer. So it is mostly red too, but it has a little bit of green in there. Oh, it's awesome. I'm going to be excited to use that. That's pretty cool. And then I got one of these Nouveau Shimmer, and this one is in gold. I have a silver one, or a clear one, but I thought I should get, where is it? Here it is. I thought I should get this one too. So this one says Glitter Gloss, and this one says Midas Touch. So I thought that might be pretty cool. And then it came with this 10 years of celebrating Stamptember 2019, and it's an enamel pin. And these are kind of cool, I know, for knitting, but I guess it's cool for all different kinds of crafting. So got that. And then I could not resist this little guy. This is a Simon Says Stamp original, but it's Lawn Fawn too, I guess. But it is so cute. It has, well, maybe this is Lawn Fawn. Maybe it's not a Simon Stamps original. And I believe I have I better have the dies too. That's what's in here, I'm sure. I'm getting too much stuff over here. So this is the stamps and the dies, and it is called Snow Bunnies for Simon Says Stamp by Lawn Fawn. So it is it's a Simon Says Stamps, I think, exclusive. I don't know, but look at the little carrot with the ribbon on it, and they're like building the snowman, and it's a bunny. It's just so cute. And the sentiments are happy holidays, let it snow, Merry Christmas from every bunny. We wish you a Merry Christmas to some bunny special and a Happy New Year. So that's awesome. And then I also had gotten some of this paper. What did I do? I must have ordered like a tag kit or something, and I got a preview of this paper, and it is so cute that when I saw that it was in its own little stack, I had to get some. Now this is just the 6x6 size, but I find that is a decent size for me for a lot of projects. And it has cute paper. Love it. So yeah, very cute. I'm excited about that. And that, my friends, is everything I got at Simon Says Stamp this haul. But who knows? Stay tuned. Maybe I'll do another one again soon. Because Lord knows I am enjoying shopping this season for lots of fun crafting things. And it's just so much fun. And much needed. You know, you need to replenish your stash every once in a while and add some new fun pieces that you know you're going to use and love. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.